Most engines don't just wear out. They're slowly being murdered by the small things we ignore every single day. The scary part? It's 100% preventable. Just 10 minutes once a month can save you from the kind of breakdowns that drain your wallet, your patience, and your love for your car. Because one careless habit could cost you $5,000 in repairs, while one smart habit could make your engine outlive the car itself. And when we get to the final tip, you'll hear the secret that can turn a 150,000-mile car into a 500,000-mile legend. Let's get in. Number 15, always use the parking brake. Here's a habit most drivers skip, yet it's one of the simplest ways to make your car last longer. Always use the parking brake, even on flat ground. Here's why. Every time you put your car in park, a small metal pin inside your transmission, called the parking pawl, locks in to hold the weight of your entire vehicle. On a hill, that's thousands of pounds of pressure pressing against a piece of metal no bigger than your finger. Even on flat ground, the stress builds over time. And if that little pin snaps, you're looking at a transmission repair anywhere between $1,000 and $3,000. So make it a ritual. Every time you stop, pull that parking brake. It relieves the pressure on your transmission, keeps your car secure, and saves you from future headaches. It's a small gesture that says, I care about this machine. Small detail, big payoff. But now let's talk about something we're all guilty of. Number 14, use the correct fuel grade. You see that number on the fuel pump? It's not a suggestion, it's a design requirement. Engines are built with a specific fuel grade in mind. If your manufacturer says premium, it means the engine's compression ratio, timing, and sensors are all tuned for it. Downgrading to regular might save a few bucks at the pump, but you're paying for it in the long run, with engine knock, lower performance, and premature wear. Think of it this way. Would you water down your morning coffee to save 10 cents? Probably not. Your engine feels the same way. Over time, using the wrong fuel can cost you over $2,000 in repairs. So give your car the fuel it was born for, and it'll reward you with smoother power, better mileage, and years of loyal service. But now, let's open the hood, because there's one small part under there that most people never even think about, and it's silently protecting your engine every time you drive. Number 13, maintain the PCV valve. The PCV valve, short for positive crankcase ventilation, is one of the most overlooked components in any car. Its job: to regulate pressure inside the crankcase and keep nasty sludge from building up. When it clogs, pressure rises, seals start to blow, oil leaks appear, and before you know it, your engine is choking on its own waste, spitting blue smoke and losing power. Here's the irony. Replacing a PCV valve costs less than a dinner for two. Ignoring it? That can lead to thousands of dollars in repairs. So next time you're under the hood, check your PCV valve. If it's dirty or rattles weakly when shaken, replace it. It's one of the cheapest, most effective ways to give your engine a long and clean life. And speaking of small, cheap habits that make a massive difference, the next one's a shocker. Number 12, drive long enough trips. Short trips are engine killers, and here's why. Every time you start your car for a quick drive to the store or school, your oil never gets hot enough to burn off moisture and fuel vapors. Those vapors mix into the oil, forming sludge and acid that slowly corrode your engine from the inside. Do this for years, and suddenly your car feels sluggish, burns oil, and sounds tired. But the fix? Laughably simple. Once a week, take your car on a proper drive, 20 to 30 minutes on the highway. Let the oil warm up, let the battery charge, let the engine stretch its legs. Think of it as a spa day for your car. A little movement keeps it young. Ignore it, and you'll be trading engines instead of stories about how long yours lasted. Now, speaking of running low, let's talk about one dangerous habit almost everyone is guilty of. Number 11, don't run on low fuel. You see that little fuel light? That's not a challenge, it's a warning. Running near empty doesn't just risk getting stranded, it's a silent car killer. Over time, dirt and debris settle at the bottom of your fuel tank. When you drive on fumes, Your fuel pump has no choice but to suck up all that junk. Result? Clogged filters, dirty injectors, a fuel pump straining until it burns out. And when it does, you'll be paying anywhere from $600 to $1,200, not counting the damage it might have done to your injectors. So here's the smart move. Refill when your tank hits a quarter full. It keeps your pump submerged, prevents overheating, and ensures your fuel system stays clean and strong. Treat your tank like your body's hydration. Don't wait until you're running dry. But maybe all this sounds like too much to remember. What if I told you there's one habit, just one, that ties everything together? Number 10, the once-a-month ritual. Engines don't just wear out, they're destroyed by neglect. And the easiest way to prevent that? A 5-minute monthly ritual. Here's what you do. Pop your hood once a month and give your engine bay a quick visual inspection. That's it. 5 minutes. No tools, no skills, just awareness. But don't underestimate it. According to the American Automobile Association, AAA, over 80% of roadside breakdowns could have been prevented with simple monthly checks like this one. Just 3 weeks ago, a college student called me in a panic. His Honda Civic kept stalling. When we opened the hood, the problem was obvious. A loose battery terminal. 30 seconds to fix, saving him a $200 tow and a diagnostic fee. When was the last time you opened your hood? Be honest. This ritual is your car's lifeline, but it's only the beginning, because every inspection should follow one golden rule. Number 9, the fluids rule. Every engine lives and dies by its fluids: oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid. They're the blood, oxygen, and water of your car. Ignore them, and your engine slowly suffocates. Respect them, and your car could run 500,000 miles without complaint. Yesterday, a nurse from Denver brought in her 2019 Subaru Outback with a knocking sound. Turns out she was 8,000 miles overdue for an oil change. Thinking synthetic oil meant she could go longer. The result? $4,200 in engine repairs. Here's the truth. Engine oil is everything. Change it on schedule and your engine stays clean, cool, and lubricated. Delay it and sludge builds up, starving your engine of life. Each month, when you do your quick check, pull the dipstick. Look at the oil's color and level. If it's dark, gritty, or low, fix it. Don't wait. And here's another stat. 65% of engine overheating cases come from low coolant levels, something you can spot in seconds. But oil and coolant aren't the only fluids keeping your engine alive. There's something most drivers never even think about: air. Number 8, examine the air filter. Your air filter is the lungs of your engine. Every mile you drive, your car breathes in thousands of gallons of air. And the filter is what keeps that air clean. Over time, dust, pollen, and road grime clog it up, forcing your engine to work harder just to breathe. That means reduced power, lower mileage, and accelerated wear. A friend of mine once drove her 2017 Ford Explorer for 3 years without changing the air filter. When we finally checked it, it was packed solid. You couldn't even see light through it. That $20 filter had cost her over $2,000 in fuel and performance losses. Here's the rule: check it every 10,000 to 15,000 miles, more often if you drive in dusty areas. The EPA estimates a dirty air filter can cut acceleration by up to 11%. That's your car gasping for air. So after this video, go check your filter right now. Your engine will thank you for it. But the air filter is only one part of the silent system keeping your engine alive. The next one, if ignored, can leave you stranded in the middle of nowhere. Number 7, look over belts and hoses. They're the unsung heroes under your hood. Belts and hoses. They work in silence, holding everything together, and yet they're constantly under stress. Your serpentine belt powers the alternator, power steering, and water pump. If it cracks, you lose all of them, instantly. A delivery driver I know ignored a small crack on his Silverado's belt. It snapped during rush hour. He lost steering, cooling, and charging, and spent $1,200 towing and fixing what could have been a $45 replacement. Hoses are no different. They carry coolant under pressure. When one bursts, your engine can overheat in less than a minute, warping metal and blowing gaskets. Heat is the silent destroyer here. Underhood temperatures exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit, slowly cooking rubber over time. So, once a month, glance at your belts and hoses. Look for cracks, fraying, or leaks. 2 minutes of care could save you thousands in repairs. Have you ever had a belt or hose fail on the road? Share it in the comments. Someone might learn from your story. And speaking of connections, the next part might look small, but it holds the power to start your entire car. Number 6, check battery terminals. Your car's electrical life begins right here, at the battery terminals. A corroded or loose terminal doesn't just cause weak starts. It stresses your alternator, starter motor, and even your engine, forcing everything to work harder. Last winter, a real estate agent called about her 2020 Honda Accord that wouldn't start reliably. Turns out, her battery was fine, but corrosion had built up so thick, the connection was barely touching. A 5-minute cleaning fixed the problem completely. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence reports that 73% of battery-related failures aren't dead batteries. They're bad connections. Once a month, pop the hood and take a look. If you see white or greenish buildup, clean it with a wire brush or a mix of baking soda and water. Tighten the clamps. Keep it snug. A clean connection means steady power and a happy engine. And that brings us to something that doesn't just affect power or performance, but also safety. Number 5, inspect tire pressure. When people think about engine life, tires aren't the first thing that comes to mind. But here's the secret. Tire pressure affects everything. Low or uneven pressure forces your engine to work harder, just like pedaling a bike with soft tires. You burn more fuel, cover less ground, and wear your car out faster. A mechanic friend tested this on his Toyota Prius. When his tire pressure dropped from 35 psi to 28, his fuel economy fell by 4 miles per gallon. That's over $300 a year wasted, just from soft tires. Underinflated tires also overheat, raising the risk of blowouts at high speeds. So this week, grab a gauge and check your tires. Your car, your wallet, and your safety all depend on it. Because next, we're moving from what you can see to what you can hear, and your engine has a voice you should never ignore. Number 4, listen for unusual noises. Your car has its own language. Subtle clicks, gentle hums, even faint rattles. They all mean something. If you learn to listen, your car will often warn you before disaster strikes. 6 months ago, a taxi driver rolled into the shop with his 2015 Ford Fusion. "It's just a small ticking sound," he said. We checked it out. Worn valve lifters. Left alone, they would have seized the engine within weeks. That $400 fix saved him from a $6,000 engine replacement. Every sound tells a story. Take knocking, for example. That sharp metallic ping when you accelerate. It usually means your fuel isn't burning right. Maybe bad gas, carbon buildup, or timing issues. Ignore it, and you're slowly hammering your pistons and bearings to death. Here's a simple habit that can save you thousands. Once a month, drive with no radio, windows down. Listen as you accelerate, brake, and idle. Compare what you hear to how it sounded last month. Even tiny changes matter. A mechanic's stethoscope might cost a few bucks, but your ears, they're free. Think of it as checking your car's heartbeat. If something sounds off, don't drown it out with music. Investigate. Because if noises are your engine whispering for help, leaks are your car's way of bleeding. Number 3, look under the car. This one's so simple most people skip it, yet it can save your engine. Once a month, just crouch down and look under your car. Fluids are your car's lifeblood, and leaks are its early warning signs. Oil spots on the driveway? Could be a bad gasket, cracked seal, or worn oil pan. Ignore it and you risk low oil, overheating, and total engine failure. Coolant puddles, usually green, orange, or pink, point to radiator or hose trouble. Without enough coolant, your engine can overheat in minutes. According to Consumer Reports, over 60% of major engine failures could have been prevented by catching leaks early. Transmission fluid leaks? The silent killer. Red or brown spots mean your transmission is bleeding. Ignore it, and it can cost you up to $10,000. The fix? Free and fast. Park over clean pavement or cardboard overnight, then check for drips. Even faint smells of coolant, fuel, or oil deserve attention. 2 minutes a month could save your car and your wallet. Number 2, check transmission fluid, if accessible. Most people think of engine oil, but forget about transmission fluid, your car's hidden hero. It keeps gears cool, lubricated, and shifting smoothly. When it gets old or low, heat builds up, and heat is the #1 transmission killer. A friend spent $600 on a timing belt for his 2016 Honda Pilot, only to learn his rough shifts came from dirty fluid, a $150 fix. Don't make that mistake. If your car has a transmission dipstick, check it monthly. With the engine warm and running, pull it, wipe it clean, dip again, and inspect. Healthy fluid is bright red or pink. Dark or burnt-smelling fluid. That's your early warning. A quick check takes minutes, but can prevent thousands in damage and keep your car shifting like new. Number 1, do the idle and rev test. Engines have a rhythm, and this simple 5-minute test helps you hear it. Park safely, set the brake, start your engine, and let it idle. Listen. A healthy engine hums smoothly without shaking or sputtering. If it idles rough or vibrates, it could mean dirty injectors, vacuum leaks, or ignition issues. Now, gently rev once or twice. Watch how it responds. Delays, smoke, or strange smells. Those are red flags. Technicians say 85% of drivability issues can be caught through this simple test. Never rev a cold engine. Let it warm up first so oil circulates. This small habit costs nothing, takes minutes, and tells you everything about your engine's health. A smooth idle means all is well. But if something feels off, don't ignore it. Fixing small problems early keeps your car strong for years. Final thoughts. And there you have it, the final stretch of your monthly car care habits that keep your engine alive and your wallet happy. From listening for tiny sounds to checking fluids, these habits don't cost much, but skipping them can cost you everything. Remember, your car speaks to you long before it breaks down. You just have to pay attention. So next time you slide behind the wheel, think of these as your car's survival checklist. Because a few minutes of awareness each month can mean years of smooth, reliable performance. Got your own maintenance wins or horror stories? Drop them in the comments. Want more easy, money-saving car tips? Hit subscribe so you never miss another one. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep your ride running strong.